look at old trucks. Got some cars, all kinds of stuff. This guy, I mean, there's even way more vehicles too. But yeah, this is the camper here. He said I could take whatever I wanted. So maybe I will get like the ladder and stuff. It's important stuff for a cool camper build, you know. Well, I'm gonna get busy. So I couldn't get a hold of the guy on the phone. He lives out in the country, but I decided to wander out here, and I didn't bring my tools. I knocked on the guy's door, and he has like a whole junkyard. It's really cool. He said I could take what I want off the camper, and I don't even think he's going to charge me any money. The door I'm getting is really awesome. I'm really excited about the door. It's a rounded top one, and I've been wanting that. And then the windows are all pretty big. I don't know if I'll bother with them because tomorrow I'm going to Iowa to get 8 van windows, conversion van windows for the camper build. I think they'll look pretty nice. Alright guys, so here's the junkyard. Don't know how far you can kind of see, but I mean, lots of stuff here. Okay, so I got all the screws out of that door, and I think it's gonna come out pretty easy. It's just held on by the caulk right now. Okay, all that weather stripping I'm gonna have to grab. Well, bottom ripped off. Nice. Got a door now. Super excited. License plate holder I was thinking about grabbing. Looks like that's just gonna unscrew. The problem is I don't have a key for anything. I'm gonna search the inside of the camper for the keys. 454. Some bullet holes in there. Hope no one shoots it while I'm in there. Here's the window I was thinking about grabbing. I might grab the ladder on the back too. Here's where the fridge was, nothing's in here. So I'll get back with you guys. Well, there's Lisa. We just got the window out, and that was very easy. So good thing they build campers so crappy, huh? So I'm gonna get one more small window. Kind of really like this back window. I might get that. I think I'm gonna try to get the ladder. Be careful, because if I break this blade, there's no going back. Can't believe that didn't break yet. So I've been on the hunt for camper windows for a while. I finally got 2 good looking camper windows. Got my door, a ladder rack, all packed in the Jeep. I'm gonna grab a couple more doors off this camper. Okay guys, so I'll show you everything I got off here. The window, the door, it's a nice size window. This window I got off, I really like that. I took the refrigerator vent door. I really like this shower door. I might have to come back for it. It'd be cool if I could take the whole shower. It'd save me a lot of work. The toilet was actually nice and clean too. I have a ton of those stove things. I should maybe just take one more since I love these things and making stoves. Sad thing is I couldn't get a key for the door. I couldn't find it. So, I mean, then that key could be in here anywhere. I was thinking about getting a sink, but I already have a couple sinks, so I decided to leave it. So I'm check one more area for the key. There's a key in the ignition, but I couldn't get it. Ow, something bit me. I shouldn't be wearing flip-flops in here. Hope it wasn't a black widow or something. Anyhow, there's a table thing here for a flippy up table, so that was really cool. This back window I kind of really wanted, but I think I'm going to leave it for now. Kind of got enough stuff. Back window doesn't open, but I think it'd look good in the front of the camper I'm building. Barn swallow nest. Someone had took all the vents and ACs out of here. There's these light fixtures, but they look old, and I'm just gonna get some new ones. Yeah, so really exciting stuff. I'll show you the other side of the camper.
Oh my god.
So I got that ladder off. That was a pain. Took that window and that for the back of the fridge. I'd like to get these, but I don't have a key to open this up, so I'll just have to buy that new. Some of those doors might be nice, but I just like the square doors. So here's all the stuff I got. I got a pillow holding the door up. Just packed full of windows and stuff, so leave the back of the Jeep open. That should be fine. Yeah, there's a lot of work. My drill. Battery sucks on my drill, so I had to rig it up with this big 12-volt battery. I've been using those for everything, those batteries. They're nice. So had plenty of drill power the whole time. Anyhow, so old Chevy Winnebago, not sure the year. What's cool my camper will be. Part Winnebago. Alright. I'm gonna go home and unload. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like this content, consider subscribing and dropping me a like. I really appreciate all my subscribers, the few that continue to watch my channel and comment. Be sure to stay tuned for part 4. It's gonna be pretty cool. Just installing my trailer lights. So we'll see you in the next video.